Okay, welcome back to reading one, and then this is the sixth part. We are going to learn something related to animals and plants. Okay, let's check this out. Yeah, so I have provided you with the two pictures. They are really endangered animals. Okay, so the first picture is Indonesia. Indonesia's endangered animal coming from Komodo Island. So of course it is Komodo. And then the second picture is the African elephant. Okay, both of them have been really endangered. Okay, they need to be protected. They need to be conserved, and then there are a lot of regulations that conserve them in their habitats. Yeah. For instance, komodos, they are the big lizards coming from the prehistoric period, have been protected, okay, by the government since their numbers have been decreasing so far, yes, throughout the decades. Okay, and then the African elephant, it is very big. Yeah, I think it is the biggest elephant in the world. Yeah. And their populations has been decreasing, since there are a lot of poaching activities. Yeah, they are hunted, yes, and their ivories are sold to all over the world. And this is really sad to see that those endangered animals are vulnerable of the attack of human. Okay, so we need to protect them, of course. Let's see. Here we are going to the word definition activity. I have provided you with the 6 words and then also the 6 definitions. So what we need to do is to match. Okay, to match the word with the definition. Okay, let's see the first one. Uh, Alien. Alien. So what is alien? Okay, so alien means, all right, see from another place. Okay, alien is not always something coming from outer space. Everyone, alien can be a very harsh slur that we can address to, for instance, the people coming from other countries who don't belong in this country, for instance. Yeah, but it is really harsh, so don't use alien in order to address those people coming from another country. Okay, and then extinct. Yeah. Extinct. Extinct means no longer existing. No longer existing. Yes. In case of Komodo and also African elephants, they still exist, but they are endangered. Endangered means this is the lower level of the extinctions. Okay. They are still alive, but the numbers have been nonly decreasing, yeah, for decades. And then let's see number 3, grim. What is grim? Okay, grim means gloomy or somber. Yeah, this is the future of those animals on those plants, whether they are really grim, gloomy, or somber in the future, since they have got no hope of being alive in this planet Earth. Okay, and then habitat. What is habitat? Habitat is F. Yeah, an environment where something lives and grows. Yeah, that's habitat. Yeah, for instance, Komodo lives in savanna, and then um, African elephant lives in African savanna. So the savanna located in Nusa Tenggara Timur and savanna located in Africa are totally different. Okay, in Africa, the savanna has been, you know, containing so much sand coming from the desert. But in Indonesia, the savanna is still green. Of course, there are still many forests, okay, surrounding the savanna. Yeah. And then we've got this tropical climate in Africa, sort of tropical planets, but it is not that tropical. Okay. And then number 5, native. What is native? Native, belonging to a particular place. Yes. So it is a native animal, meaning that animal is only in that place, so we cannot find in other places. Okay, that's native. All right. Wait a minute. No, it's not species, but it's native. Yeah, that should be native. Okay, what about species? Of course, we need to choose A, specific kinds of plants or animals. Yeah. Next. So in this article, I have also provided you with 4 questions here in order to track the information in the first paragraph of the article. Let's read the title. Six extinction. Six extinction. So in my opinion, in my guessing, six extinctions means there are six animals or plants that are extinct nowadays, and the informations will be shown in this article. Okay. So in order to know it, let's read the questions that I have made here. Therefore, what are extinct on the planet? What are extinct on the planet? Based on the article, of course. And how many times have the mass extinctions happened? Yeah. It is known that in the world we've got so many mass extinctions. Yeah. These mass extinctions can be resulting from several cases. It can be natural cases or human-made cases. And then the third one, when did the first mass extinction occur? So it's asking about the time of the first mass extinction. And when did the recent mass extinction occur? And this is related to the time of the recent mass extinctions occurrences. Okay, so let's read the article. Most, or the first paragraph, yeah. Most species of plants and animals that have ever lived on Earth are now extinct. What are extinct on the planet? Most species of plants and animals. Okay, we have answered number one. Though most have become extinct slowly, some have been almost completely wiped out in a sudden massive catastrophic event. These mass extinctions have happened at least 5 times in the history of the Earth. How many times have the mass extinctions happened? At least 5 times in the history of the planet Earth. Okay, the first mass extinction occurred about 450 million years ago. 450 million years ago. So we have answered also number three. This is the first mass extinction. Okay. When sudden changes in sea level, so this is natural changes that caused the mass extinction. Okay, in 450 million years, or 450 million years ago, caused by melting glaciers. Okay, killed most marine species. So most marine species were killed due to the melting glaciers, yeah, and then the changes of the sea level. Okay, and then recent mass extinction. The most recent mass extinction was 65 million years ago, when most scientists believe an asteroid struck the Earth in Mexico and extinguished the dinosaurs. Okay, this is natural a catastrophe too, yeah, coming from outer space, which is an asteroid, yeah, that struck the Earth in Mexico and extinguished the dinosaurs. Okay, so we have answered all the questions. So I can predict that the article is talking about the mass extinction that happened in the planet Earth, yeah, coming from natural cases and also human-made cases. And most of the plants and animals have become extinct so far. And then the information will be related to those, yeah, words or keywords. Okay, so that's all for today. Then I'll see you again next week. Have a nice day, everyone.